Hello, welcome back to my channel, to our channel, MPK Comtech. Today I just want to show you how to learn embedded engineering in 100 seconds. So follow along. The first thing that you have to do is you download the Arduino IDE, you download it on the official site that is called arduino.cc. If you go to Google and type www.arduino.cc, then you go to their site arduino.cc and you download the version of your choice. I recommend the older version because it does not have a lot of problem to use it. So after downloading it, then you open, like here. This is the Arduino. This is the Arduino. IDE, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, this is what you call this file. If you click this file, you can see you can create your new sketch. What you call in embedded engineering, a sketch is what you call a file that you create the file that you can write your code as a programmer, the code that you can write to manipulate the hardware. Then open. The open is the tab that you can open the file, the project that you have created earlier, and the open recent sketchbook. This is sort of the sketch, a lot of the sketches that I have done that you can create, then edit, then sketch, you can verify, you can compile, then tools. You can find, like here I've connected the board, I've connected the Arduino Uno on this computer on COM3 port. So this is the very important. If you plug in your computer on Arduino, you must check if the board is recognized, connected to the computer. You can check if the port is also connected. Okay, after that, you can click help if you want to get help from the Arduino. It's just a reminder, Arduino is an open source IDE, open source company that deals with the electronics. It created lots of electronics that we can use, that can help us to program the electronics. It makes easy for us. For example, if you do not have so much, you can create your electronics for free using Arduino. So this is how you do. As you can see, there's this void setup. The void setup is where you initialize your code. For example, pin mode LET, built-in as output. This is the default pin 13 for Arduino, and then as output, we want to use it as output because we have input and output. So for output, we want the board to output this pin, for example, to light the LED. For input, is like you are taking in the input to the Arduino, and then and then there's this one, void loop. Void loop is used as you can see, if you are new or to programming, what you call a loop is a line of code that runs for a specified period of time, or that runs forever. But for this Arduino, the void loop is the loop that runs forever. For example, we want the loop to run like digital write. We are writing the LED pin for high is for it to light, then delay. We want it to delay 100 seconds, and then digital write this digital pin 13, then low, we want it to switch off. So high, it means 5 volts. If you write high, it's 5 volts, so it means the light will switch on. Low, it's 0 volts, then the light will switch off. So this is the basics for Arduino programming. I just want to show you. As you can see, this is the basic LED program. I have connected it on Arduino pin 13 and ground. Pin 13 is the default Arduino pin for LED. It is the built-in pin that you can use if you want for the experiment of an LED. This is the code.